Hello. Yeah. Hi. I just sent some Christmas money for you and the kids. So you need to go and take them for Christmas. How much? I sent you Western Union, 250.
250,000. How much is the pound, man?
250,000.
Wow. She lucky, man.
In Jamaican, so you need to go and get the kids them and take them all over the place. Bring them to Montego Bay and have some fun with them. Let them see what it's like down there. And then, sir, I'm not gonna get to come for the Christmas again because the work take over all my time. So just enjoy yourself and have a Merry Christmas. Alright, talk to you soon. I gotta get
you look like you're late to send money. Christmas is gone already, mate.
Yeah. Delroy in England. To all my fans, family, everyone. Blessed and happy New Year. It's a brand new year again. And it's so good to be here. I'm in England and see everyone soon. I will be in Jamaica early for our early one. So happy New Year to all.